Welcome back to another installment, update, episode, whatever you want to call it, of the Seagulls Mazda 323 channel. Co-hosted here by your MC extraordinaire, Big Gully. So basically what we're doing today is going to be doing those drive shafts and the seals, and then a transmission fluid dump. So we'll crack on with that. Yesterday we did the thermostat housing and then also a valve cover gasket replacement as well. I checked everything out there, it looks really good. So today, some of the more heavy duty stuff needs to get done, so I had to charge up my deck and get ready for some heavy stuff. And I'll basically hand you over to Seagull because he fixes everything and I break it. You'd probably need to start off by getting a set of the correct drive shafts sent to you, and while you're at it you may as well do the seals. Even if they don't really look like they need done, do them, because if you're going in that far you may as well. So before you jack the car up, loosen the wheel nuts, and then you want to get this hub nut at least a quarter turn loosened before taking the car up, removing the wheel, and then going about taking your drive axle out. And I'll step you through that.
Now come with me underneath the car and I'll show you all the fun stuff.
Basically, Seagull was unable to complete the job. He'd fried himself on seaweed and did a fully sick BMX jump, blowing out both legs and both wings. So I had to take the car down to a local and trusted performance workshop, and they completed the task. And while they did the drive shafts and seals for me, they also did my heavy duty clutch. Considering they had to take that off anyway to get in there, I may as well have just done it. So now the heavy duty clutch is in and some heavy duty drive shafts. Much better after wheel alignment as well. Xtreme Clutch Kit for this car. It's not too heavy on the foot when you drive it. Basically feels much the same, a little bit tighter, so it's going to be able to handle a lot of what I do best. At some point I'll have to get some in-car footage of me driving it so that you can get some sort of comparison to what this car is now able to do. But thanks for watching, and keep watching, because the car will continue to have things done to it over the year. And I have got some pretty big plans for this car, and I'm not too sure at this stage if it's going to whine, or if it's going to DOS, or if it's just going to stay naturally aspirated. We'll find out soon.